Olive oil is not just a cooking ingredient. It is also a key element of a healthy diet. It is used in nutrition, medicine, cosmetology, and many other areas. Why is olive oil considered so beneficial? It contains many polyunsaturated fatty acids. Among them are omega-3, omega-6, and oleic acid. They are necessary for many biochemical processes in the body. Essential for brain health. Packed with vitamins K and E, this olive product has remarkable antioxidant properties. They help slow down aging, strengthen the immune system, reduce the risk of heart disease, and much more. There are many olive oil companies in the market. Some came from Greece, some from California, others still from Italy. Some are small but high price, others are bigger at a reasonable cost. Some say they're extra virgin, and others say pure or refined. Which of them are the best? Extra virgin olive oil are the best for health. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed form of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is extracted during the first pressing of olives. Due to this, it retains its natural antioxidants and vitamins, which are often lost during processing. How to identify extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil? There are a few ways to find the extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil. First, look for a harvest date. Olive oil is a fruit juice, and as such, it gets dull tasting around 12 months, and has certainly gone bad by 18 months. Trust your senses. Fake olive oil might taste greasy, rancid, flavorless, or just not pleasant. Good olive oil, real olive oil, should smell and taste green, bright, peppery, earthy, grassy, or any combination thereof. If it tastes good, it's probably good. Another way is to identify the bottle by its color and material. Extra virgin olive oil comes in dark glass bottles or stainless steel bottles. In this video, we list the top 5 extra virgin olive oils along with their prices and some user reviews. Number 5. Atlas Organic Cold-Pressed Moroccan Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It is the best polyphenol-rich olive oil. This olive oil is naturally rich in high polyphenols because that olives are grown in dry climates. This olive oil originates from Morocco. In Morocco during the summer the temperature is around 127 degrees, so the roots of olive trees cannot spread easily. This causes the olive trees to produce a huge quantity of polyphenols to survive. The resulting olive oil contains an extraordinary hydroxytyrosol value. Hydroxytyrosol is one of the major phenolic components of olive and extra virgin olive oil. Regular consumption of hydroxytyrosol promotes dilation of blood vessels, increases blood flow, and reduces the risk of endothelial dysfunction, a key factor in the development of cardiovascular disease. It has a special taste, somewhat sweet and pleasant, very special taste. Atlas Extra Virgin Olive Oil has a complex aroma of ripe bananas, red apples, and tomatoes. Some olive oil comes in plastic bottle which we reject. Such as Pompeian and Amazon fresh olive oils come in plastic bottles. And Pompeian olive oil is the best seller. Amazon fresh olive is the second best seller on Amazon. Atlas olive oil comes in a dark glass bottle, which is the ideal way to store extra virgin olive oil. It is certified kosher for Passover by OU and CRC, organic, carbon-free, and has won multiple awards for its quality, aroma, and taste. 3 sizes are available: 500 milliliters, 750 milliliters, and 1 liter. Mini pack 500 milliliters price is $18.50. It has 8,000 plus customer review. 84% reviews are positive. A user shared about these olive oil health benefits. This excellent organic, extra virgin olive oil is preferred by Michelin-starred chefs. Its source is southern Morocco, and the olives are grown sustainably on a family estate since 1887. It has great flavor and is high in polyphenols for good health. I use it daily on salads and toast or for scrambling eggs. It has all but replaced butter in my diet. I feel healthier and my cholesterol numbers have improved. It has some negative reviews. We got some common reviews. They received an old bottle of olive oil that was nearly expired. Number 4. Partanna Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This olive is best for your budget. 500 milliliters price is $15, which means per fluid ounces price is 89 cents. It is first cold pressed that comes in beautiful designed Sicilian Coretto tin. The decorative Sicilian Coretto tin makes it an ideal gift for any food lover. This oil has a harvest date and an expiry date on the tin. The difference between the harvest and the expiry dates is close to 2 years. That is an important feature of extra virgin olive oil. The oil is cloudy with a green hue, herbaceous aroma, and pizzicato flavor. It's perfect for cooking, dressing salads, or dipping bread. It is certified kosher, non-GMO project. Won awards from the Los Angeles International Extra Virgin Olive Oil Competition and the New York International Olive Oil Competition. 3 sizes are available on the market: 750 milliliters, 1 liter, and 3 liter. It has 5,700 plus customer reviews. 82% of reviews are 5 stars. Number 3. California Olive Ranch Oil. California Olive Ranch is best for its taste and quality. Green color, and it has a mild and buttery flavor. California Olive Ranch 100% extra virgin olive oil is crafted locally from our Californian farmers in California and sourced from Argentina, Chile, and Portugal. This olive oil is made from cold pressing olives to extract their natural oils. Home chefs like you use it for marinades, sautéing, roasting, grilling, frying, and baking. Using olive oil as a part of your daily diet may promote heart health, lower blood pressure, and decrease your risk of diabetes. Our extra virgin olive oils are verified non-GMO by the Non-GMO Project and certified kosher by Orthodox Union. They are also Whole30 approved, certified paleo, keto verified, and vegan friendly. All oils at California Olive Ranch are certified extra virgin by Applied Sensory, passing both rigid chemical and sensory evaluations. There are 130 calories in 1 tablespoon of California Olive Ranch extra virgin olive oil. This characteristic of California Olive Ranch makes it superior to other olive oils. Other olive oils contain 120 calories per 1 tablespoon. Its 1 liter price is $35.99. It has 600 plus customer review. 84% reviews are 5 star. Number 2. Olive Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It's perfect for salads and cooking. It tastes very good, light, not too strong. This oil is at 0.2% acidity level, which only the best extra virgin olive oils can deliver. It is a beautiful, intense, limpid golden yellow color with slight green hues. This extra virgin olive oil is certified by USDA Organic, Non-GMO Project, Kosher, and Carbon Footprint. Gold Award winner in New York, Los Angeles, and Italy. 4 sizes are available on the market: 10 milliliters, 750 milliliters, 1 liter, and 2 liter. Its 1 liter price is $24. It has 1,000 plus customer reviews. 82% of reviews are 5 stars. One user named Sarah Smith shared his experience.
I love this oil. It's great for making dressings, and also I use this oil in my natural, organic bath and body and hair products I make for my business Divine Naturals. I use this oil for everything that needs oil. And for health benefits, it's great instead of vegetable or corn oil, and it's organic and cold pressed, which is the true extra virgin olive oil, vs some others who add other oils, or it's not the first, fresh batch from the cold pressed olives. But rest assured, this brand is. I love it and only use this brand.
Number 1. PAESANOL Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It is a great finishing oil for salad dressings and to drizzle on soups or pastas. PAESANOL is an unfiltered extra virgin olive oil that has a beautiful green color, spicy taste, and herbaceous flavor. The PAESANOL is also particularly rich in polyphenols, which are known for their antioxidant effects and have been linked to lower risk of cancer, heart disease, and some neurological diseases. Is an award winner of 2 gold medal at the 2006 and 2005 LA County Fairs. Certified USDA Organic, this award-winning extra virgin olive oil is unfiltered. Its 1 liter price is $30. It has 1,100 plus customer reviews. 84% of reviews are 5 stars. One user named Jarrett Jones shared his experience.
I bought this because I learned that it was made by Asaro Farms. I am so pleased with Partanna that I just had to try it. Being unfiltered, I was hoping that it would be stronger than Partanna, but that is not the case. While it seems an excellent oil and feels good on the tongue, The bottle I have is somewhat milder than the Partanna I have, and yet the flavor seems identical, with a familiar afterburn in the back of the throat. Also super buttery, thick, a bit salty, with more green color. I love it. I guess I am forever doomed, having to buy all Asaro products so that I can make these subjective comparisons to satisfy my curiosity.
Number 5 Atlas olive oil is the best polyphenol-rich olive oil. Next pick Partanna olive oil is best for budgets. Third pick California Olive Ranch is best for its taste and quality. Olive Ivu is also good value for money. You can use it in cooking and salads. Our number 1 pick Paesano unfiltered extra virgin olive oil is best for dressing and finishing. If you think our video is informative, please like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.